Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vega wax strips. First, make sure your skin is clean, dry, and completely free from any lotions or oils. For the best results, your hair should be about 2 to 5 millimeters in length. Gently warm the wax strips between your hands for about 30 seconds to ensure the wax is pliable and ready for use. Now, carefully separate one wax strip into 2 individual strips, exposing the wax. Apply one strip to the area you want to wax, ensuring it adheres firmly to your skin. Always apply in the direction of hair growth, pressing down evenly. Smooth the strip down several times with your hand to ensure good contact and proper adhesion. To remove the strip, hold your skin taut with one hand, stretching the skin. With the other hand, quickly pull the strip off in the opposite direction of hair growth. Remember to pull parallel to the skin, not upwards, for the most effective removal and to minimize discomfort. A swift, confident motion is key here for the best results. After waxing, use the provided post-wax wipe to remove any sticky residue. If you don't have one, a little baby oil works wonders. Apply a soothing lotion or aloe vera gel to calm your skin. Avoid sun exposure, hot baths, and tight clothing for the next 24 hours to prevent irritation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.